Yan o, Alubihod.
Yung
Cove.
Raymond, pwedeng pasok yan. Ito naman. Nakikita yung kanilang beach. Ay, saan ka magpasok pa? Saan ka magpasok dito?
Hindi doon. Diretso tayo. Unahan, parking. You have arrived. Done. Ito yung paano lang kahit na kunwari merienda. Ayun. Wala, parking. Oh. Ito ata, ito isa. Ito, may isa mo, pwede mo. Ito, tingin mo papasok. Pasok mo tayo dito. Papasok mo doon.
Daytime guest.
Dito lang, oh.
Dito daytime guest. The resort is open to all.
Entrance fee is 100.
Okay.
Oh, kung pwede. Ano bang maganda dyan?
Beach lang.
Beach lang. Pwede.
But we have to pay 100
Lock your vehicle
pesos each.
and park it in the
Yeah.
designated area. Potentially apply to all outside food. We can buy drinks lang here. Pero we still have to pay.
Tingnan mo. Yung kanila 100 is consumable ba?
Walang consumable.
Yung best beach nila eh.